Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to redeem Xbox gift card using your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to redeem your Xbox gift card, you'll need to go open up a web browser on your mobile device, since you won't be able to find the redeem option within the application. Once you open up a web browser, type in xbox.com and make your search. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And now, from the main homepage, tap on the Xbox drop-down at the upper left and tap on Games. Now, select All Games from the list. You'll be able to see a button that says Redeem Code. Give it a tap and enter your gift code number or your gift card number into the text box. Your gift card number is at least 25 characters long. Once you type it in, you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Xbox quick and easy. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.